Today we are going to see a colorful flower show from Ooty Botanical Garden. Yes, hope you'll enjoy this. Yes, hope most of you have visited Ooty, right? Udagamandalam, but everyone must have not seen this flower show. Yes, come on, here comes the entrance of the flower show. Yes, children, can you see the entrance of the flower show? Yes. So this is the entrance of the flower show, Ooty Botanical Garden. Okay, we are getting in, children. We can assure you it will give a colorful feast for your eyes. Right? Shall we? Okay, yes. This year, 2020, is the 124th year. Do you remember how long they are having this botanical garden and this flower show? This flower show is conducted for 123 years, and this year is going to be the 124th year. Wow, amazing, right? Yes. See, this is the, you can see from this design, it is a corona shape, right? It is a corona shape design, right? Yes. So, like you remember that we celebrate Diwali and Pongal. Likewise, this is also a celebration. This is also a summer festival for those people. So, yes, ma'am.
Is the music audible?
Ma'am, music is audible.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow. Yes, can you hear my voice now? Okay, yes. See, a variety of flowers have been kept here. This is a greenhouse. Where we are coming now? Greenhouse. Yes, you can see variety of flowers. Wow. See how colorful it is, right? Many mixture of colors are there, right? Wow. See, you can see white, red, yellow color. Wow. How beautiful to see. It's a really a colorful feast for our eyes, right, children? Wow, see, you might have seen one or two flowers only, but here it is more than 5,000 flower pots are being kept over here. Wow. Now what you're seeing is the hill. It is see, it is like a mountain hill. Right, you can see a mountain hill. See, they made as a mountain hill. Okay, it is in the greenhouse. See, the roof wall is made up of glass. Yes, now, wow, you can see that white color tulips over there, children. See, wow, superb, right? See, in this greenhouse, more than 5,000 plants, 5,000 pots are being arranged. More than 5,000 pots are being arranged in this greenhouse. Yes, you can see variety of flowers over here. See, so many hanging pots also there. Wow, how colorful it is, right, children? Have you ever visited these? Have you ever visited in these places, children? When you might have visited Ooty for your trip on the May month, mid of the May month, because this happens in the mid of May month. Yes, every year in the May month you'll get a holiday of 30 days, right? So you can visit in those places. And how will be the climate over there, children? Cool and chill, right? Wow, super. See how colorful these flowers are. Yes, it's a great treat for your eyes, right, children? Yes. I hope girls love flowers, right? Variety of flowers. Yes, children. Mostly you love pink color, but you can see so many colors. You can even see lavender color over there. See, lavender color, then white color. Wow. See, you can see they are arranged the pots, right? So beautifully they have arranged. And see how clean it is. It is very clean, right, children? There is no spill of any dried leaves over there. It is kept very clean. See, it is a roof. The rooftop is made up of glass. The rooftop is made up of glass, so the direct sunlight will not affect the flowers over there. Okay, and of course, there's a climate of cool and chill, right? See how pretty and how nice to see all these flowers, right? Which are very very colorful. Everyone like colors, right? Everyone like colors. Yes, sir. And seeing the flowers, that too variety of colorful flowers, wow, everyone like it, right, children? Yes, sir. Since most of the flowers are from our country, but some of the flowers are from the other countries also. Apart from India, they have brought so many flowers from the other countries. Do you want to know which are the countries? Yes, it is. There are some countries called Brazil. So from Brazil country also they brought some flowers. USA, that is America. Then Singapore, Australia, South Africa. So from these countries also they brought flowers and they have been placed out here for the flower show. See, you can see so many roses also. Right, children? See, on these sides you can see so many roses, and everyone love roses, right? Only few of the type of the rose colors we have seen, right? The different colors of roses we have seen. But here there are variety, many more different combination of colors we have seen, right? Wow. Now we have come out from the greenhouse. We have come out from the greenhouse. Yes. See, the botanical garden is surrounded with different types of tree species. Different type of tree species. If you can see, there are more and more of folio, Jana, juniperus, eucalyptus trees. Yes, you might have heard about the eucalyptus trees. From that we derived oil, right? Eucalyptus oil, which is good for our cold and other purposes we use it, right, children? When you visit over there, most of you might have purchased eucalyptus oil and that chocolate, homemade chocolates. You remember? Yes. And likewise, you can see Photonio Lindlea, all of these plants are being planted over all these sections. Okay, yes, throughout the botanical garden you can see many species of trees and different varieties of flowers are being planted over here. Yes, you can see that. See, when you visit a park itself, it looks very greenery, right? On one part of the side, they have planted few of the plants and trees and the grassland. They have shrub the grassland, right? See, this place is fully only covered with green. It looks very greenery, right? Children, it takes 4 to 5 hours for us to visit this place. When you go physically over there, you cannot go in a bike or you cannot use any other mode of transport except walking. So it takes 4 to 5 hours. But as we are in a virtual trip, it makes us fast to see every places. Okay, so see this. I think this is the shape of a corona, right? Yes, sir. Now it is a now what we are seeing is a glass house. What you are seeing is a glass house, children. See, it's been fully surrounded with variety of trees. Yes, you can even see tender coconut also over there, right, children? Yes. Wow, see the place? See how difficult it will be when you keep 1 to maximum 10 flower pots at home and maintain it, but they are maintaining more than 33 33 lakhs flower pots here in the botanical garden. See, there's a place also to sit for us to and relax. See, on one side of this place, you can see that flower pots have been arranged. So many flower pots have been arranged. Can you see over there, children? Yes. Yes, this is the entrance of the glass house. You can see the entrance of the glass house. Yes, and the shape. You can see the design, right? It is structured as for COVID-19. Yes, in that you can see 5,000 flower pots being displayed, and where the caption is being shown: "Stay home, stay safe." Yes, these are the people who helped us to arrange. These are the people who helped in arranging these pots. So kindly give them a big applause for them, children, because it's not an easy task, right? It's a very big task. These are the people during this pandemic time, they have helped us to arrange, and it's a colorful feast for us, right? And see, you can see the design is like the shape of a coronavirus, right? And you can see there's a caption also given: "Stay safe, stay home." Yes, and this has been dedicated to all the doctors, nurses, cleaning personalities, policemen, and whoever is helping us in this pandemic situation. So give them a big round of applause, children. Give them a good big round of applause. Clap for them. Clap for them. Ah, super, super. You should. Yes. This is what very good, children. Very good. Super, super. Yes, we have to give a big applause for them, right? Because during this pandemic situation, we will. Thank you so much. Yes, now you can mute yourself. Yes, sir. Because during this pandemic situation, also they have come and helped in segregating these flowers and pots, right? Flower pots, yes, sir. So it is not an easy task. Yes, now we are entering into a glass house. Yes, we are entering into the glass house. Yes, can you see? This is the entrance of the glass house, children. Yes, slowly we are entering into it. Wow, see, in this glass house, you can see it's purely the plants. It's fully of green plants. There's no flowers over here. There's only plants, right, children? See, so many plants are kept over there. It's very color. See, it's full and full of greenery. You might have seen some of the plants also might have kept it in your house also, right? Your house, hotels, restaurants. These plants can be kept inside a home and maintained. See that there's no much so now we have come out of the glass house. Now we have come out of the glass house. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, you can see variety of flowers are being kept over here. Variety of flowers. Many flowers are being kept over here. So this is the entrance where we visited the glass house. Yes, on to the right hand side you can see so many flower pots have been arranged. Yes, Yes, you can see variety of flowers. There are many flowers over here, and you can see orchids. You can see type of orchids. Different colors of orchids are there. Carnation flowers are there. Irises. Then lavender flowers are there. Can you see the lavender color? That's the reason we call it as a lavender flowers. And can you see the white colored tulips over there? White colored tulips. You might have seen different colors, but white colored tulips is a rare one. Yes. Yes, you can see the marigold over there, sunflower over there. See, marigold itself, you have two types of colors, right? Orange and yellow color. Yes, you can see so many colors or types of varieties of flowers. Apart from the marigold, right? You can see gardenias. Gardenias are there. Daisies are there. Then liliaceous are there. Then allium. Allium is there. Haster is there. You have balloon flower. Yes, it will be in the shape of a balloon. It will be in the shape of a balloon. That is the reason we call it as balloon flower. Yes, you have seen two types of marigold flowers, right? Orange and yellow color. Yes, sir. And also you can see a bell flower. Yes, sir. It will be in the shape of a bell. It will be in the shape of a bell, children. You can even see lilies over there, musk rose, then many more flowers will be available. You have different types of roses also here. And of course it is in different colors. Most of us have seen only red, then white at most, but many other colors, many other combinations of roses also available here. Yeah, 150 types of flowers are available and 35,000 flower pots are arranged over here. Yeah, the Ooty is called the Queen of Hill Station. Ooty is called the Queen of Hill Station. You know why, children? Because there is a flower called Kurunji flower. There is a flower called Kurunji flower. It blooms only 12 years once. It blooms only 12 years once. Yes, we are come to the entrance of glass house. See, in this glass house you have 200 different varieties of flowers. It's nice to hear, right? There's a flower called Kurunji flower that too blooms only 12 years once. That is the reason that is the reason we call Ooty as the Queen of Hill Station. ராணியின் இளவரசின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ராணியின் மலைக்கே ராணின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. See, it is full and full of green color, right? This is fully with green color, mixture of full and full of green color. Variety of green colors are seen, right? Now, the green color itself, all the green trees are not the same color. And you can see even the greenhouse, glass house also has been colored in green color. Yes, this is a hill. It is like a tower, right? It is like a tower. It's like a mountain hill, right? Top of the mountain hill. See how they have arranged it, arranged all the types of flowers over there. It looks like a mountain hill. Yes. You can see over there red roses. Red roses. Yes, you can see so many variety of roses are there. White color is also available. See the hangings, in the hangings also you can see so many variety of roses. Yes, now we have come to the end of the virtual trip. We are moving to the exit. We are moving to the exit. Okay, yes. Hope you all enjoyed the beautiful flower show, sitting in your same place and joining along with your parents. Yes, here comes the end of the virtual trip to Ooty Flower Show 2020. Yes, sir. Thank you and hope everyone enjoyed. Can I get the feedback in the chat box? And have you enjoyed? Can we get a feedback from your side? Yes, children, I hope you enjoyed, right? Yes, convey the message to your mom and dad. Let them put it in the chat box. Yes, kindly convey us, kindly express your feeling, how the children felt, because it is a situation where we cannot take the kids to outside, right? So sitting in the same place, viewing in something and taking them, and of course joining together and moving to a place, it will be a very enjoyable, right? Okay, kindly, yes. Oh, very nice to hear.
One person to unmute themselves and talk about that. Okay? Yes. Whoever wants to raise your hand, we'll ask you to unmute yourself and you can share your ideas. You can speak to us regarding this trip.
I so more power. Ma'am, it is nice, Nehan.
Nehan, wow, it's nice, huh? Thank you, baby. Thank you. The next one.
Ma'am, it is very super.
Yeah, you will enjoy it, huh?
Yes, I am also.
Also enjoyed. Very good, very good. Okay, then next one. Once if you finish, kindly mute yourself. Give chance for others. Yes, Nico.
Ma'am, that is really fun.
Yeah, very fun. Very nice. Okay, then.
Ma'am, I enjoyed, ma'am.
You enjoyed, Avineshwar. Thank you, Avineshwar.
Ma'am, right. Ma'am, I'm Kamachi, ma'am.
Yes, Kamachi. Did you enjoy the trip? Tamil Vendan, tell me.
Ma'am,
Enjoy the trip?
nice, ma'am.
Okay, Tamil Vendan.
Ma'am, I'm happy, ma'am.
You're happy? Yes.
Ma'am, I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed. Yes. Now, Abhinav Sai.
Ma'am, I'm the trainer. Ma'am, I am going, ma'am. I love it. Enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
Very good, very good. Yes, baby.
Ma'am,
Give a chance to the others.
when
When are we going to house? What do you want?
Yes. Ma'am.
Ah. What, Ranganathan? You wanted to tell something? Yes, Ryan. Go inside. Okay. Ryan, what do you want to tell me?
I like cartoon, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I want to show my piano. I will show my piano.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I will show my piano.
Oh, piano. Very good. Yes, thank you, Puviri. Thank you. Want to play the piano?
Wow, very nice, Jai Krishna.
That's really nice, Jay Krishna. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. Super.
Very good, very good. Yes, the next person, Dharani, Kavichan, Kritik Bala, Ojasvi. Ramya, Meena. Thank you. You want to leave the class? Varunika, Vishmita. Sorry, okay, no problem. Enjoy your. You all are tired, right? Being to Ooty, coming back from Ooty, you are tired. So let's enjoy the 2 days holidays
Nice too, ma'am.
and happy birthday, whoever tomorrow. Wish you all a happy birthday. Have a great day.
Happy, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Happy, yeah. Who's that? Sudarshana Prasada. Okay, even we are also so happy here.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Kana.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.